Aging is inevitable, but how we age is entirely within our control. What if I told you that science has uncovered 5 simple exercises that could help you reclaim not just years, but vitality, strength, and independence? These aren't just workouts. They're tools to rewrite the story of your health. Welcome to Healthfuse, where we fuse science and action to help you live your best life. Today, we're diving deep into 5 scientifically proven exercises that can help you turn back the clock and feel stronger, healthier, and more alive than ever before. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to take your fitness to the next level, this video is for you. So, make sure to stick around until the end, because these simple movements could be the key to a longer, more active life. Exercise 1, the push-up. First up, let's talk about push-ups. This simple yet powerful exercise is one of the best ways to strengthen your upper body, core, and even improve posture. Unfortunately, many people overlook push-ups, thinking they are too difficult or only meant for young athletes. But the truth is, push-ups are one of the most effective anti-aging exercises you can do, and they're completely adaptable for any fitness level. A 2025 study found that older adults who performed push-ups regularly improved their ability to perform daily tasks like pushing a shopping cart, lifting groceries, or even playing with their grandchildren. That's because push-ups strengthen your pectorals, chest muscles, shoulders, and triceps while also engaging your core, which is crucial for overall stability. How to start? If you're just beginning, don't worry. You don't have to start with a full push-up. Instead, try these modifications. 1. Wall push-ups. Stand a few feet from a wall, place your hands against it, and slowly lower yourself forward before pushing back. 2. Knee push-ups. Place your knees on the ground instead of your feet to reduce the load while still getting an effective workout. As you build strength, you can progress to a full push-up, ensuring that your body remains in a straight line from head to heels. Consistency is key, and over time you'll notice improved strength, stability, and confidence in your movements. Exercise 2. The squat. Next up, let's focus on the lower body with the squat, one of the most important movements for maintaining mobility and independence as you age. Squats target your glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings, which are essential for activities like climbing stairs, getting up from a chair, or simply walking with ease. Why it matters. 1. Squats improve bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 2. They help with balance and coordination, reducing the likelihood of falls. 3. Squatting regularly strengthens the muscles required for daily movements, keeping you independent longer. How to start? 1. Chair squats. Begin by standing in front of a sturdy chair. 1. Slowly lower yourself down until you lightly touch the chair, then push back up. 2. Traditional squats. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your hips as if sitting in an invisible chair, and return to standing. Exercise 3. Crunches for core strength. Strong core is the foundation of an active, pain-free body. Crunches are one of the best exercises to strengthen your abdominal muscles, improve posture, and reduce lower back pain. How to start? 1. Basic crunch. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. 1. Cross your arms over your chest or place your hands behind your head without pulling. 1. Engage your core and lift your shoulders just a few inches off the ground, then slowly lower back down. 2. Modified crunch. If you experience neck discomfort, try placing your hands lightly behind your head for support, but avoid using them to pull yourself up. 3. Advanced. Add a light weight to your chest or perform bicycle crunches to further engage the oblique muscles. Why it's important. A strong core is not just about looks. It plays a crucial role in maintaining balance, spinal health, and overall mobility. Exercise 4. Cardiovascular activities. Your heart is your most important muscle, and keeping it strong is crucial for longevity. Regular cardiovascular exercise helps improve heart health, lung capacity, mood, and even cognitive function. Best cardio options? 1. Walking. A 30-minute daily walk can work wonders for your overall health. 2. Swimming. A fantastic low-impact workout that's easy on the joints. 3. Dancing. A fun way to improve coordination, balance, and cardiovascular health. 4. Jumping on a trampoline. This low-impact exercise improves balance, proprioception, and inner ear health, reducing the risk of falls. How to start? Aim for at least 30 minutes of cardiovascular exercise 5 times a week to see noticeable benefits. Exercise 5. The glute bridge last. But certainly not least, we have the glute bridge, a highly effective exercise for strengthening the glutes, core, and lower back. Why it's important. 1. Helps with hip mobility and prevents lower back pain. 2. Improves balance and coordination, reducing the risk of falls. 3. Strengthens the muscles needed for walking, sitting, and standing. How to start. 1. Basic glute bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. 1. Press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. The key to success. Consistency. These 5 exercises are more than just movements. They're a blueprint for a healthier, more vibrant life. The science is clear. Staying active is the most powerful thing you can do to slow down aging. The goal isn't to push yourself to exhaustion, but rather to show up, do the work, and celebrate small victories along the way. Your body is capable of incredible things. Every rep, every step, every effort brings you closer to a stronger, more resilient you. So what are you waiting for? Lace up your shoes, roll out your mat, and take that first step toward a healthier, happier life. Aging is a journey, but with the right tools, it can be one of the most rewarding adventures of your life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could use a little inspiration, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed tips to fuel your health journey. Until next time, stay strong, stay active, and keep fusing your way to a better life.